Hello. This session, I'm going to teach you how to use random function. What does it mean? It means that, for example, in your application, you might need to, for example, choose a random number, for example, a 4-digit or 5-digit random number, or you might want to select one number from the whole numbers that is available. What should we do? I open the project and I have run the emulator before. I enter the body of the scaffold, or we can do something else. We can change this to a stateful widget. So I press Alt and Enter on my keyboard, and then it brings me a choice that is written Convert to stateful widget. Now I go down and I type here init state, and it brings me the rest of the code because it is a function that can be overwritten. And this function, when this function is run or retrieved whenever you open the application. So I write init state here. So we have it. It is retrieved when you open the program. So I wanted to find the random digit for me whenever I open the application. So I'm going to use a class named random here. And I name it R&D equals random and I'm going to choose a max and min for that. In order to solve the problem, I press Alt and Enter and resolve the problem. And I'm going to define a minimum and maximum for this number. So it means that the limit of this random number should be selected here. For example, I write int min equals 1000, a 4-digit number, and the int max equals, for example, 9999. Now we write int a, or we can ask it write int r here equals min plus R&D dot next int max minus min. And here we print r. r.toString. Min plus R&D next max minus min is a random digit that is between minimum and the maximum limit we set. So let's run the program. Let me tell you that min plus R&D plus next max minus min is actually selects a number between 1000 until 9999. So it reduces these, and by this equation it gives us a number selectively between these range. And it then adds that number, adds that result to the random number we have selected. And the ranges again from 1000 until 9999. And the number, we can use other methods. For example, we can select two numbers here, and then it is going to find the number between the limits we have set. This formula is much better and it is more standard. And as you see, it printed 9,999. I need to hot restart to see the result. It should show us another figure, which is again random. So as you see, the number has changed. I hope you enjoyed this session, and goodbye until next session.